Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to react to messages on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram's direct message feature allows you to send an emoji reaction to received messages. Messages reaction are a nifty way to acknowledge or respond to messages on Instagram without typing out a response. While they may not always replace responses, they can be helpful when you don't have the time or energy to reply immediately. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And then you can tap on the M on the message on the upper corner. Now you can tap on the chat. You can choose the chat that you want to react. As example, I will react to this. If you just want to react like, you can double tap on the message. So here's your reaction. Heart emojis. If you want to react with another emojis, you can tap and hold to the chat, on the chat like this. Now you can see there is an emojis that you can choose. If the emojis that you want is not here, you can tap on the plus icon like here, and you can choose the emojis. Example like this. So here's your reaction. If you want to unreaction, you can just double tap to the chat, on the chat like this. Here, you can double tap to unreact. So that is how to react to message on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!